Hello everyone, and thank you for joining today's demo of Adiona's EmissionSense, our cutting-edge emissions reporting solution for vehicle fleets. EmissionSense helps organizations comply with Australian regulations like the National Greenhouse and Energy Reporting Scheme and empowers them to reduce their carbon footprint while improving operational efficiency. Let me show you how. This is our user-friendly EmissionSense dashboard. Here, sustainability managers and operations professionals can view real-time emissions data across the fleet, including their CO2 and NOx emissions. They can track key metrics like emissions by vehicle type, route, and time period. And they can generate customizable reports and compare progress against industry benchmarks. Here you can see a real example from a telecommunications company that ships thousands of consignments per month via a network of third-party logistics carriers, also known as 3PLs. We've imported the origin and destination information for all of their consignments in a target time period, the vehicle types that the 3PLs use, and other network-specific information. And when I click on individual consignments, you can see all of the details that are unique to them. And you can see across the top here our calculation of the relevant emissions that would have been generated for that consignment or group of consignments. So one of the problems that with the way that carriers often report emissions is that they use average values based on weight, fuel spend, and other assumptions. This can lead to flawed emissions calculations when your consignments don't meet that average profile. For example, in this case where the consignments are quite small and lightweight. Now, beyond just reporting accuracy for the NGER regulations, many companies also use these emissions calculations for carbon credits and offsets. So over or underestimating these emissions calculations can have quite a large financial impact. One unique feature of EmissionSense is the parcel-specific carbon calculator. So it accounts for factors like weight, distance, and the number of vehicle stops, ensuring accuracy and avoiding those accuracy problems that I just mentioned. So if you look here, you can see for each of these individual consignments, we've got a profile for it, its origin and its destination, where it's going to and where it's been shipped from, the type of vehicle that it's going to go on, and the related emissions calculation for each one of those consignments. Now, all of this can be put out into customizable reports, and those customizable reports can automatically generate detailed reports broken down by customer and parcel, ensuring compliance with the mandatory regulations and also being a really useful internal tool. And each of these modules it can be changed, and we can do scenario planning. So using the scenario planning module, you can simulate future emissions trends, for example, by loading in projected data, say for example a 10% year-on-year increase of volumes for a certain region. You can quickly calculate how that would impact your emissions. You can also adjust fleet operations and vehicle types, the delivery consolidation strategies, fleet electrification strategies, or assess route optimization to see how it will reduce emissions. And all of that can be done quickly and easily right here within a single application that's linked to all of your original data sources. And finally, EmissionSense integrates really seamlessly via APIs with all of your existing platforms, and that ensures minimal disruption and time to productivity. No additional hardware is required. It works well with existing telematics data sources, and all of our pre-cleaned data methods make deployment fast and very cost effective. And so this allows you to spend less time managing the data and more time making impactful, sustainable decisions. So to recap, EmissionSense offers a comprehensive solution for emissions monitoring, reporting, and planning. It helps you comply with the regulations, achieve your sustainability goals, and improve fleet efficiency. And that allows you to have a competitive edge. And now that you've seen how EmissionSense works, I'd love to answer your questions or explore how we can tailor this solution to your organization's needs. So feel free to reach out to discuss how EmissionSense can drive your journey towards sustainability.